Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register for a Salesforce internship. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, all you need to do is to search for Salesforce internship to apply for. So here you will need some application. You can just type Salesforce internship and then it will take you to their marketplace. So from here, either you can sign up for some their careers or programs, or you can simply go to the Salesforce career and find your internships. So here we can go to this program and then you can explore the intern roles, and after that you will find all the opportunities. So from here you will choose any opportunity that you would like and then you will need to apply for it. Another way is just to do the same thing, and after that it will take you to the marketplace, and basically you will need just to choose your hub in, for example, Atlanta, and then you will need just to go to view jobs and you will be able to search for your contracts. So from here it will be the employee type, so you will need just to choose interns, apply filters, and here you will find all the internships. And of course, if you want to learn more about Salesforce, you can simply go to the Trailhead. So we go to Trailhead background website, which is a learning community or a learning platform of Salesforce where you can learn everything about Salesforce. So then you can go to the learn, then trails, and then you choose your role. For example, a developer or agent force or whatever you would like. So from here, let's go for roles. We search for a designer or developer, and from here you will need just to learn all the path, so the more you learn the better it is. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.